Welcome to Clinical Tools Library, evidence-based scales and questionnaires designed to support healthcare professionals in practice. The Neuropsychiatric Inventory assesses behavioral and psychological symptoms in dementia and other neurocognitive disorders. It evaluates symptoms such as agitation, aggression, depression, anxiety, hallucinations, delusions, disinhibition, apathy, irritability, abnormal motor behavior, sleep disturbances, and appetite changes. It measures symptom frequency and severity. It also assesses the distress experienced by caregivers. Its main purpose is to characterize neuropsychiatric symptoms, support clinical assessment, monitor disease progression, and evaluate treatment response. The Neuropsychiatric Inventory is indicated for patients with dementia or other neurodegenerative disorders who exhibit behavioral and psychological symptoms, including agitation, delusions, hallucinations, depression, apathy, disinhibition, and sleep disturbances. It is an informant-based instrument that measures symptom frequency, severity, and caregiver distress across 12 domains. It is most useful in outpatient, residential, and long-term care settings for characterizing neuropsychiatric symptoms, monitoring changes over time, and evaluating responses to pharmacological or non-pharmacological treatment. The clinician administers the standard Neuropsychiatric Inventory as a structured interview with an informant who knows the patient well, focusing on the preceding 4 weeks. It assesses 12 domains: delusions, hallucinations, agitation or aggression, depression or dysphoria, anxiety, elation or euphoria, apathy or indifference, disinhibition, irritability or lability, aberrant motor behavior, nighttime behavior, and appetite or eating abnormalities. For each domain, the clinician first asks a screening question requiring a yes or no response. If symptoms are present, follow-up questions establish frequency and severity. Frequency is rated from 1 to 4, ranging from occasionally to very frequently or continuously. Severity is rated from 1 to 3, ranging from mild to marked. The domain score is calculated by multiplying frequency by severity, producing a possible range from 0 to 12 for each domain. The total score ranges from 0 to 144, with 0 indicating no reported symptoms and higher scores indicating greater neuropsychiatric symptom burden. The informant also rates distress for each present symptom from 0 to 5, where 0 indicates no distress and 5 indicates extreme distress. The total distress score ranges from 0 to 60. The instrument has no universally accepted diagnostic cutoff, so results are interpreted according to symptom pattern, change over time, functional impact, and clinical context. Each positive domain requires clinical assessment because higher scores indicate severity and frequency, but do not independently establish a diagnosis. The Neuropsychiatric Inventory has reported sensitivity of approximately 96% and specificity of approximately 94% when compared with structured clinical assessment of neuropsychiatric symptoms in dementia. Sensitivity is the proportion of patients with clinically confirmed symptoms who are correctly identified by the inventory. Specificity is the proportion of patients without confirmed symptoms who are correctly classified as having no symptoms. Thus, a sensitivity of 96% indicates that the inventory detects most affected patients, while a specificity of 94% indicates few false positive findings. These estimates vary according to the study population, symptom domain, caregiver reporting, and reference standard. The Neuropsychiatric Inventory is therefore an assessment tool for symptom detection and severity, not a standalone diagnostic test. The Neuropsychiatric Inventory was developed by Jeffrey Cummings and colleagues and first published in 1994 to provide a structured caregiver interview for the assessment of behavioral and psychological symptoms in dementia. The original instrument evaluated 10 domains, including delusions, hallucinations, agitation, depression, anxiety, euphoria, apathy, disinhibition, irritability, and aberrant motor behavior. Sleep and nighttime behavior and appetite and eating abnormalities were incorporated in later versions. In the initial validation study, which included caregivers of 74 people with Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington disease, and other dementias, the instrument demonstrated strong inter-rater and test-retest reliability, with reported coefficients generally exceeding 0.8, and showed convergent validity through associations with established measures of dementia severity, psychiatric symptoms, and caregiver burden. Subsequent studies have replicated its reliability and construct validity across Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, dementia with Lewy bodies, frontotemporal dementia, Parkinson's disease dementia, and other neurodegenerative conditions, as well as across multiple languages and cultural settings. The frequency by severity scoring system has demonstrated sensitivity to clinically meaningful changes over time and in response to treatment, while the caregiver distress rating has provided an empirically supported measure of the burden associated with individual symptoms. The shortened Neuropsychiatric Inventory questionnaire, validated by Kaufer and colleagues in 2000, showed strong agreement with the original instrument, with reported correlations of approximately 0.9 for overall severity and caregiver distress scores, supporting its use when a shorter assessment is required. Thank you for watching. For complete information and official PDF resources, visit clinicaltoolslibrary.com or check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more clinical insights.